Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y200 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Vivo. Begin by opening an app called Themes and selecting Recommended or Categories at the bottom. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on Themes at the top and click on the best one for you. You can also just click on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to. Now select Download, wait couple of seconds and tap on Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, access Devices Settings, click on Lock Screen and Wallpaper, select Theme at the top top right corner, and then click on one of the system ones. Lastly, tap on Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!